Hello, my friends. From reckless drivers causing catastrophic accidents to ignoring traffic signs or chaotic collisions due to out of control, trucks are all in today's video. Join us as we explore real-life traffic accidents and learn the best ways to stay safe while driving. Buckle up and let's get started. A criminal tried to open the door to break into another car. However, the driver reacted quickly and drove away. Remember that messing with the police can result in being logged out at any time.
Bye-bye trailer. Fuck.
Oh my God. Miracle happened when all the vehicles stopped in time. All eyes were on the family gathering at the gas station, but no one expected it to turn into a fiery spectacle.
Yo fam, what's up YouTube, what's up everybody who is watching my video right now. Yo, today what we have here today is best of Eastern Scammer, 2024 to 2025. So if this is your first time to be on my YouTube channel, you can hit the subscribe button. If you want to be watching more of my videos, hit the subscribe button, like and share, bro, because like more for the subscription. I really want to get to the 1,000 subscribers right now, so I need that the most. So you can hit the subscribe button for me. That's the only favor I'm asking you for right now. Do that for me, I will be very happy. Yo, so let's keep going.
Two reckless young men drove a stolen car off a bridge while trying to escape a police chase. Unfortunately, they were caught a few hours later. I think the medical
Yo, bro, this whosoever work with this driver, like whosoever is a medical doctor that work with this driver, yo, should take their time, bro. Like, if there was a patient on that sick bed, bro, like that patient, the illness should have been more worse than the way it was before. Yo, but this was so bad.
team needs to be punished and relearn the rules. Luckily, no one was in there needing treatment. stealing an SUV and practicing driving like in an action movie, crashing into a taxi, fleeing, and finally being greeted with a lesson for life.
This is what they say, everything fall apart,
This
bro.
is why engineers need to master the art of measurement. One small mistake, and the machine becomes a monster, while the driver must turn into a sprinter.
But like that driver is wrong, bro. What is he trying to do in the first place? He's wrong. What the
Oh my
hell?
God. Just inches away, the motorcyclist miraculously escaped death after being thrown off the road. He will certainly never forget this lesson in his life.
Gee.
Yellowstone roads are not only clogged with traffic, but also with cows. When nature calls for the right of way, it's best to listen. Speeding without regard for traffic laws, the BMW driver did not yield, almost caused an accident and fled. But the police were waiting right there.
Yo, bro, just go back a little bit. Or was he not seeing?
To steer away from the inevitable. But
Yo, there are some road incidents that somebody will see. You will realize that driving is not for everyone. There are some people who do not deserve to have a driving license. I just don't care what you have to say or what whatever you want to say, just go ahead and say it. But some people actually do not deserve a driving license, bro.
it's too late.
The accident involving a paraplegic man driving a truck into a city bus and a fire hydrant in Los Angeles has raised the need to reevaluate traffic regulations, especially for people with disabilities. Should we adopt specific regulations to ensure the safety of both people with disabilities and the community?
See the incredible truth for them.
When the driver did not yield, the pedestrian decided to turn the car into a doormat. Is this a new way to teach drivers?
Yo, some people actually, Don't mess around with some people. They will show you Pepe. And this is what exactly happened on this video. Yeah. But I just like the way the drivers stay calm. Like, because if this was some drivers, they will try to go back or go front so that, you know, and start up another new thing. Something like, you know, misunderstanding. But like, yo, he was cool. And, you know, let them pass. Because he is definitely wrong.
A driver received a memorable lesson for not keeping a safe distance from the car in front on the highway, showcasing the harmful effects of watching too many action movies.
What the hell?
Intense dash cam footage from highway most collisions reminds us to be aware of all possible dangers. A FedEx truck ended its journey in a devastating collision after ignoring a red signal and crossing tracks, resulting in the train shredding its cargo.
Mr. Jacobs. Oh my gosh, look out! Oh, wait, oh my god, hold on. Big wreck. Oh my gosh, right in front of me.
A serious accident occurred when a Camaro suddenly swerved in front of two cars, and it was considered a revenge for not yielding.
What the hell?
An explosion caused at least 12 cars to be hit by bullets. Several cars were completely burned, 6 people died, and 14 were injured. The truck driver, however, was not seriously injured.
What the? What the hell?
Oh. Yeah, you're right, mate. Matt, what's your name?
Sport cars again. Yo.
The Lamborghini Huracan went from a dream supercar to a super accident when speed is not always fun.
He was kind of lucky though, because these sports cars, bro, I have. This driver is really kind of blessed though.
Playing dangerous tricks on the streets, the only thing that guarantees in the end is...
Yo, this is what they say, you reap what you sow, bro. Yo, how can a bike rider kick a car when both of them are moving, bro? Some people, this is the reason why I keep saying, use your brain, bro, not your heart. Because your heart always puts you in trouble when you get angry. Use your brain. Yeah, but he got instant karma. Even if this driver was wrong, but now he is going to pay for a lot. Because
is not the reward.
he did the mistake. Look at this one. Look at this one.
A scene that could only happen in a movie. 2 men were charged after a noisy argument on the streets of Alberta. I wonder who won this battle.
Да. Вот там ушел.
Yeah.
On February 10th, 1998, a tense chase between police and suspects took place on the streets of Los Angeles, California. This event not only shocked the public at the time, but also became a typical example of the challenges that law enforcement agencies face in ensuring public safety. Thank you everyone for watching the video to the end. If you find the content useful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you
Yo guys, thanks for watching the video till the end. Yo, please let me know in the comment section what you think about the video, and please make sure you hit the subscribe button, like and share the video. That's it. Thanks for watching once more.